In this video, I'll talk about how you can get closed captions on YouTube TV. Now, this is different if you're using a smart TV or the phone or the computer. So let me show you how you can do it on all three. If you're using a smart TV or any of the streaming devices, you want to press the down arrow or the OK/select button on your remote. Go to the CC section, select on, and then just choose the language if there is any. If you're on your phone, you want to watch anything, tap on the screen with your finger, and then you want to tap on the CC, select on, and then the same as with language. On your PC, you want to do just watch anything, click on the CC button at the bottom, then you want to select on, and then you can choose a language if there is any. So that is how it works on the three different devices. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.